Hi docs, if you haven't been to our marketing workshop, you are truly missing out. Ask anyone that's attended and you will find that we have had a 100% satisfaction rate with everybody that's attended. The reason being is in our marketing workshop, which is a one-day event, we cover Google in detail, Facebook in detail. We show you how to use ChatGPT to improve your marketing. So whether you run your own marketing, which our event is guaranteed to improve it, or you hire out for marketing, which our event is guaranteed to help you hire more intelligently and to have a more effective conversation with the people you hire, this marketing workshop, which is only $100, is well worth your time. By the way, in that fee, lunch and breakfast is included, and if you want to play golf on Saturday, come as my guest. We're playing at the Cheval Golf Course, one of the most beautiful golf courses in the state of Florida. And within 30 minutes of our office is the #1 ranked beach in the US, Clearwater Beach. Within 45 minutes, you have Fort DeSoto Beach. Within an hour, you have Siesta Key Beach. So come for the marketing and stay for our beautiful Florida weather and what we have to offer here.